Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change currencies on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use ClickUp, and in one of their columns, you have currencies. How do you actually go ahead and change currencies on ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to, then click on one of our workspaces. Now, if we are into this workspace right over here, we can click on, let's click on actually the board view, list view. Okay, we'll do the list view for now. And so on this page here, you can actually click on add a new column, and then we'll click on money. And then this is the type of currency that you can enter. So they have all sorts of currencies available here, but we're just going to stick to US dollars for now. And we're just going to call it USD and then click on create. But with this column currency, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change currencies on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.